Hello, today we're going to take a quick look at taking an online class through Gateway Community and Technical College. Many of you have signed up for a face-to-face class for multiple reasons. Maybe you prefer face-to-face instruction, maybe you've had a bad experience with online learning. Due to recent global events, a lot of our classes have moved to online instruction, and you may not be thrilled about that. We understand. You've signed up for a face-to-face class for a reason, and now things have changed. But don't worry, we're doing everything we can to make this transition as absolute smooth as possible. Gateway Center for eLearning, we're here to help keep Blackboard from standing in your way of having a successful class experience. Don't let Blackboard keep you from success. We are here to help. If you need to call the Center for eLearning for any sort of additional assistance, give us a call. 859-815-7780 is our main line, and you can send us an email at gateway.elearning@kctcs.edu. This information is also available in the description of this video on YouTube. First things first, what is Blackboard? Blackboard is a learning management system. It houses all sorts of content that your instructor has placed online for you to successfully complete a course. How do you get to Blackboard? Many of you have heard of MyPath. MyPath is where you get access to your email, PeopleSoft financials, and Blackboard's a big one. Once you're logged in and looking at the MyPath screen, you're going to be able to see a Blackboard tile. Yours may not be in the exact same spot that mine is, but simply clicking on this Blackboard tile will log you into Blackboard so that you can access your courses. You can also log into Blackboard by going directly to elearning.kctcs.edu. Here you'll type in your username and your password. Now please note, if you decide to log in this way, your username does not include @kctcs.edu. It's only your first initial, last name, and a 4-digit number. And then once you have that typed in, you can click sign in. Once Blackboard loads for you, you're going to see what's referred to as the institution page. There's going to be some generic general information that may assist you on this screen. On the left side, you're going to see a menu. The biggest item that you're interested in is called Courses. When you click on Courses, you're going to see a list of classes that you are currently enrolled in. We're going to take a look at this class called GCTC eLearning Sample. Most of your classes are going to be in here, and you're going to see something like ENG 101 for English 101 or MAT 161 for Math 161. And you're going to choose which class you want to go into and just click on that course. Almost all of our classes will have a similar layout to what you see on the screen. You're going to see a left side menu where the vast majority of your content is going to live. Your class will look different than what you see on the screen, but the basics are still the same. As you go through, you're going to see that there are announcements that your instructor has posted. Announcements go out to your email address and everyone in the class. Be sure to keep up on announcements because this is where some of the most important information for your specific class is going to be. Syllabus, that's going to be where you're going to find your course syllabus. You'll be able to download that, and there'll probably also be a course calendar to help you keep on path with deadlines and due dates. Chances are you're also going to see a My Grades and an email professor link. These are here for you to, again, contact your instructor, keep up with your grades. The vast majority of content, again, it's all going to be different, is going to be in different links. In this particular shell, it's under where it says class content. I'm going to bring up one that says assignments. Huge question that we get is, how do I submit my work to my instructor? And it's not too bad. If you've used email before, you're going to be able to use Blackboard assignment submission. So your instructor will have a listing of assignments, and again, every class is going to be slightly different, and all you need to do is click on the link for the assignment, and then you've got some information that your instructor has posted, you've got a due date listed, and you've got points possible. From here, you need to actually submit your work. There's 2 ways to do this. The first way is you can click on this Write Submission box, and here you can paste in from Word, or you can just respond to the prompt using full complete sentences and submit your work this way. If you've done your work in maybe a Microsoft Word document, just click on Browse My Computer and attach your submission just like you would attach a file to an email, and when you're all done, you're going to click on the Submit button at the bottom. The comments box is here if you wanted to just call the attention of your instructor to something, but don't submit your work in the comments box. Submit your work in the text submission box or by attaching a file. And when you're all done, click submit, and you'll get an email telling you that you have submitted work. Another way that you might submit work on an online class is by a quiz. You can click on the quiz. It's going to get some information about the quiz, and you can begin the quiz. This particular sample doesn't have any questions ready, but a lot of times it's multiple choice, true, false. Just go through, submit your work as you have it. Something else that instructors are doing is they're loading their PowerPoint documents for you to review on your own time. They might have that in something called a PowerPoints folder, and it'll just be available for you to download directly through Blackboard onto your computer. Something else that instructors are using is a software called Blackboard Collaborate. The nice thing about Collaborate, it's baked right into Blackboard. You don't need to download anything else. You can just join using Collaborate. Click on, in this case, the Collaborate link. After a brief wait, the Collaborate window will be available for you, and you'll be able to join into a room that the instructor has set up for you. I'm going to join into this quick sample room. You can see we do have the option that if for some reason your computer setup isn't perfect, you can dial in on the phone and enter a PIN. This way you can still participate even if you're having issue with your computer or if your connection's not strong enough. Click on the Join Course room, and you're going to be brought directly into Blackboard Collaborate. Once Collaborate starts loading, you're going to be asked if Collaborate can use your microphone. Say yes. You're going to need to verify that your microphone is working. It's also going to ask if it can use your webcam. I'm going to say no for right now, but you can choose to say yes. Once Collaborate loads in, you're going to be able to take a quick tutorial if you so choose. I'm going to click later. I'm just going to show a few quick things about Collaborate. The biggest thing you're going to want to know is down here at the bottom, you've got an option to share audio, share video, and you can raise your hand. So just like if you're in class, you can raise your hand if you have a question. The Collaborate panel, you can open this up and you can chat with your instructor, with other students in your class, and you can just have a nice chat this way if you don't want to share with your by opening up your microphone and speaking. And your instructor is going to be able to share their screen with you, and you're going to be able to actually take a class not as if you were there face to face, but a lot of that content's going to be right there for you. So Blackboard Collaborate is going to be a big thing that people may choose to use. Another nice thing about Collaborate is that instructors can record the sessions and then give you the link later on so that you can go back and review what's already been gone through in these different sessions. So this is just a really quick look at what we can offer in terms of online learning during this time of online and not having face-to-face classes. Just be patient. Be ready to ask questions, and we're here for you, whatever you need. Again, contact information for the Center for eLearning is in the description for this video.